Hi, my name is Sana and welcome to Physics Hub. I'm so excited to have you here. I have been teaching physics for the last 15 years and I have had the experience of teaching in some of the renowned institutes of Islamabad. I hold a bachelor's degree in engineering and my strong subject knowledge enables me to have a grip on all the different streams of Cambridge igcse, olevel, Pearson edexcel and IB. So what makes this teaching so special? Well, teaching is an art and I can make this experience as memorable and productive for you as possible. With my unique set of skills, my strong subject knowledge, tips, techniques, and my ability to connect physics concepts with real-world problems, I can make this a rewardable journey for you. So, what's holding you back? Join me on Physics Hub. See you soon!